team match. Introducing first, representing the generation from Preston, England, Velvet Jay.
Now this is a superstar who can breathe new life into this crowd.
They were already alive, Cole. I don't know how this superstar is going to do anything to change that into being more alive.
Yeah, Corey, but the fearless and daring behavior we see from this superstar brings the WWE Universe to an entirely new level.
And her partner, representing the generation from London, England, Princess Belle Goodman.
Some would say the superstar thinks a little too much of themselves, but the tape doesn't lie. This is a serious contender for any title.
They need to loosen up, have a little fun, heck, maybe even lose a match once in a while.
That is horrible advice. She's been training for this match for quite a while, and she plans on making a statement here tonight.
Here we go. She is ready.
And from Harlem, New York, Diamond.
The moment this match was announced, the WWE Universe has expected a classic. I think it is destined to deliver.
A major match ahead of her. She plans on proving exactly why she's worthy of big matches like these.
From New York, the NXT Women's Northern Champion, Big Bad Beverly.
I can't watch this entrance. I heard this one backstage talking up their own work non-stop. Well, why don't they get in the ring and prove it, huh?
That's what they're doing right now, Corey.
Well, good. Let's see what they've got then.
Title is not on the line, but she knows a loss tonight will mean a future defense. She will be on her A game tonight.
There's the bell, and we've got a tornado tag match on our hands.
This is really a different beast for a tag team. All that normal tag team strategizing is thrown out the window. This is just pure chaos.
Looking for more damage here.
Release back suplex.
Just a perfect mix of pure power and bad intentions. Into the corner, shotgun drop kick. Ooh, she hit the corner hard.
Oh, what a boot to the face. And will this be it? Gets the shoulder up loud. What's it going to take?
She likely knew that wasn't enough. She's just keeping the pressure on. Quick return to the ring. Kick to the body. What's coming next? Hooked up.
Pando face buster.
Into a powerbomb.
What goes up must come down, and it sure as hell did right there.
What's she waiting for? She's looking more focused on gesturing rather than winning.
Now would be the time for everyone to clear out.
Easier said than done. They are not concerned about anyone else's well-being. Arm trap. Oh, my. Sit out. spine buster. Gentlemen, in the interest of self-preservation, I may have to excuse myself. Saxton, you hang tight. Let this play out. Picking up speed off the rope. Stopping their opponent. And the forearm smash.
Placing them right where they want them, into the corner.
Defenses are sharp in this series of reversals. Whack!
Oh, God. Reversal! Can she capitalize? Thwarts the move by throwing an elbow into the midsection.
Clearing the table.
Yeah, gotta take it to the next level.
What is this superstar thinking?
They're thinking about the end, finishing this thing off by any means necessary.
Deliberate attack with intentions of cutting down their base.
Nice sit-out powerbomb. A powerbomb like that will leave you with bruises and remind you of this moment for days.
Wow.
Snap suplex.
Uh-oh.
Slingshot crossbody? That was ridiculous. Tossed caution out the window, and it paid off. Adrenaline is through the roof now.
She throws her back in.
And a stop to the gut, too.
Caught with a clothesline.
She's feeling the hurt here.
The Shining Wizard will rearrange your face.
She can end it here.
She's still as determined as ever.
Big forearm.
She's into the ring again.
Oh, an atomic drop. Dropping the knees and more. Airport mat slam.
That was a vicious display. You can almost see the disdain in their eyes.
Just dropped her like, look at this.
Somersault plunge out of the floor.
Took a massive risk, but it might have paid off.
And she's stunned in the corner.
Oof, running knee in the corner.
Uh-oh, full Nelson. That will get your attention.
For the win. 2.
Shoulder up, shoulder up.
There's some shock in the arena after that kick out.
A third.
This match is wearing her down.
Leg drop. Scratching and clawing. This could be it.
And she
From way out. Double axe handle. Oh, God. That'll rearrange your skull. DDT. From the apron. Whoa, what a landing. Kick to the gut.
Cranked around into a neck breaker.
Not the position you want to be in right now.
Oh, my gosh.
And now gets tossed into the ring.
Everyone get out of the way. These two are abandoning all restraints.
My favorite kind of thrashing, Cole. Good timing with that reversal. She lost some of that energy she had earlier.
Cover. Is it enough?
She gets the shoulder up.
She just will not go away. Looking for a suplex. Gets blocked.
Their opponent putting on the brakes in a reversal.
Getting back into the...
Look at that.
Famous sir.
Gonna be taking that dirt now.
The cover!
Coming to the rescue.
Delivers the sling blade. Maybe not, maybe not! And she kicks out right away.
Looks like there's some more fight left in her. Ooh, caught with a knee to the mush.
Super...
Look at that.
Famous sir.
Leave the night light on for her, because this is over.
She covers for the pin. Makes the cover. Fights the shoulder up in one.
These one counts are going to get harder and harder to kick out of.
Sharp right jab. And another. And another. three.
I couldn't agree more.
Clothesline. Up and bang.
She's in a dangerous spot and could lose this.
Not what you want to see by any means.
Whatever's planned here can't be good.
Oh my gosh, what impact. Using the top rope as an advantage. You ain't cheating, you ain't trying. Hit the rope. Drop kick from behind. Ouch. So precise with the super kick.
All right, she's back in, ready to go.
Look at these kicks and about the hair. And grabbing the hair, too. She's going up.
Top rope here.
From the top.
Diving double axe handle.
Up high. Cross body. Cover. There's two.
And a victory. What a win she picks up here tonight.
Here are your winners, the Generation.
Victorious at last after a lot of electrifying action in this tag team matchup.
What teamwork from these two women.